Welcome 60 Graphics. My name is GDCH60. Today we are going to check about two modules for After System Database. I have added two modules, expenses and accounting. So we start with expenses. How to put expenses. In this module, I have built the expense window, the expense properties. So here we have these buttons for manipulating expenses. So when you want to create a new expense, first of all, the expenses, there is the form which you can register a new expenses category, so as you can access them to this form here. So when I click new here, I got these pop-up forms. Then we have this button here, so I will click new. Then I will select what the user. For me here it is me, so I select the user. Then I put the amount, maybe this one. Then here the category of that expense, maybe it is electricity or food or whatever, maybe electricity. And what electricity for, maybe for premise, I think so. Premises. Okay, then the cost center, this can be autofill. This is autofill field. Please fill other fields. So this is autofill fields. This field with this color is autofill field. So I click save. When I click save, then a detail will be filled like you see here, and then a detail is be sent. Then I click this one, then it will update here. Okay, as you see here, the our expense is updated, but it is on pending order. As you see our status here, it is on pending to approve. So when you request the expenses, then the admin can approve, or somebody with that right can approve your expense. So this expense, when it approved, will be deducting the amount of your salaries or revenue, whatever revenue you have in this system. So now here you see I have put the expenses, then my expenses is only pending. So the admin will, when he will see this one, we see the icon here. You see this icon. Okay, this one icon, this is what I can say, a notification for you have one expense to approve. Okay, so the admin will come here. We see this is now it's ready. Then administration. Then when we come to administration, you have this one here, pending approval. You have one request for approving the expense. So I come here, then I will check the expense in this one. We see electricity. Okay, I will check the total payable. Total to be payable is 5,000. So if you want to approve, then I will double click this expense. Then it open and this pop-up form with its details. So I will come here and I can put the paid amount if I don't want to pay maybe 5,000, so I can put the real amount or less than 5,000, but I will put 5,000. Okay, then the pay, I can instruct them to cash. Then this details down here, you see it's for premises. Okay, then I can approve, I can reject, I can send back to him or to her to correct it if it is wrong. Okay, so I approve the expenses. So you see here I have a non-expenses, and the a notification is gone now. Okay, you see it is this one. Okay, that is expenses. So in expenses here, the user can see the pending expenses, can see the approved expenses. As you see, for me here, this one is the today expenses approved for this one. You see it is highlighted here. Then corrected correction, need for correction expenses, it will be here. Rejected the expenses will be here. Okay, and here it is refresh. Here we have search box. If you have approved expense, then you want to select the expense. Okay, or maybe electricity, I can search here. Then I will get all the electricity expenses. Okay, that's all. So this is expenses, and this expense is connected to your system here for data analysis. Okay, so the what I can say, the loss, they loss profit, and the each whatever data you get here, it will be deducted from the expenses, and what you get here is what you have from your system. Okay, now let us go to check for the accounting. I've added the accounting here, so this is see account. So we have this account here, so we have the Presto to enter voucher. Okay, here you can add new vouchers. Okay, then we have a place to add account. We have a account group here, so you can create a new group for that account to categorize those group. If it's revenue account, a revenue account type, if it is okay, you see here we have assets, liability, revenue, expenses, a capital, whatever. You can add another terms here for grouping your account. Okay, then we have chart of account here, so you can see the account chart of account. Then we have the reporting issues here. We have the ledger report, we have trial balance. Okay, we can maybe, let's say this date to this date, then what account, maybe this account. Then when I show this report, you get this report, this the ledger for this dash, account balance for 0, then this one. Okay, then if I want to trial balance, you get a trial balance here. If you want income statement, you get an income statement here. Okay, if you want the balance sheets, you get a balance sheet here. So this is from my point of view that I have seen this, it's probably perfect. But if somebody has any suggestion for my module here for accounting, so you can suggest it and we can see what we can make our application to be better. Thanks for watching. My name is Julie Chesix. This is 6 Graphics. Welcome again, welcome again, welcome again. Thank you.